if I could, I would only use freemium software. But from time to time, I need a bit more. And rather than paying for the subscription, I go to this website first. This is community driven, a bit like Reddit, so people just upload software alternatives and then leave their opinions, right? So we have over 100,000 apps here. We have nearly 2 million opinions left. And you can find nearly everything here. So for example, a lot of you might be using this. Just scroll down, click free. And this is the first suggestion here, liked by over 2,500 people. This is a free product. 5,500 people said this is a good alternative. Then this is the top positive comment, top negative comment. There are overall 49 comments here, so you can go through them and figure out whether this is for you or not. Then this is the next listing, so this is a freemium product. Then after this, we have a free product again, and so on. So over the years, this saved me a ton of money, and I would definitely recommend trying this before you pay for any subscription.